Happy Thursday, everybody. On February 7th, I posted a video because I had heard a rumor, and it went something like this. Hello there. Heard you're sick and tired of being broke. And I heard that you're sick and tired of trying to figure out how to not be broke. And now, on April 5th, which is 2 months and 14 videos later, I'm quite confident that duty calls. And I might add that, wow, that beard was gross, and I think my video color correction is much better now. And now, with that said, I'm happy to introduce you to Silvan Financial. Roll intro. So you might be thinking, why did he choose Silvan Financial, or why Sale? Well, I kind of sat down and had a brainstorming session to try and figure out, what should I call this thing that I've been doing? So I just tried to think of what is the opposite of that stressful, gut-wrenching, negative feeling about being financially burdened. And the first thing that actually came to mind was smooth sailing. And kind of with that in mind, I thought, sailing, that could work. If you think about sailing, it's kind of smooth, it's confident, you're kind of flowing along in comfort, perhaps. And it's kind of a cliche that if you win the lottery or whatever, if you're very financially set, that you'd get a sailboat and sail the world. So I kind of thought, sail could work. And I'd be happy to know what you folks think about it, which you can tell me in the comments below, because we're on YouTube now, or I now have a Twitter and a Facebook, both of which you can like or follow or subscribe to at @SaleFinancialEd. For education, of course. And I'd be so happy to get your follow or subscribe or like or whatever. I'm going to be posting continually on YouTube now and not posting directly onto Facebook anymore because it's such a terrible platform for video. And I'm going to be posting regular updates and sharing different information and whatnot through Facebook and through Twitter, and I'm sure I'll be expanding to Instagram in the future as well. Since I'm currently a one-man show, it's going to be a work in progress. I'm going to still be building up my YouTube channel a bit more and developing things like a website and all kinds of other great things in the future as I go. But for now, I think this is a really good way to get started and a good way for us to get into better communication with one another as well. Now, with all that said and done, I want to show my gratitude to you for your past support and hopefully your future support, and I'm going to do a giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away a copy of The Wealthy Barber, which is a fantastic book for getting your feet wet with finances, and it's great because it's also Canadian. And there's going to be 3 different ways you can be entered to win this giveaway. And that is to follow me on Twitter, like on Facebook, and subscribe on YouTube. And that will get your name into the hat 3 times, and I will be doing the draw on the 19th. Which is 2 weeks from today. So I guess I'm sorry that there isn't really much financial stuff going on in this video today, but again, I want to thank you for all of your past support and hopefully your future support, and I'm excited to get moving forward to see what the future brings. But that's pretty much it for now, so I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I guess I will see you on Tuesday. Have a good one. Bye.